Do you want to keep your PC running smoothly and efficiently? If so, you're in the right place. In today's discussion, we are going to tackle one of the most crucial aspects of technology: maintaining your PC's health. This journey is not just about performing occasional scans or installing antivirus software. It's about understanding the dynamics of PC health and the role it plays in our lives. This is an essential part of today's digital world, the cornerstone of a smooth and hassle-free computing experience. As we plunge into the depths of this topic, we will unravel the key facets of maintaining a sound PC health, a subject which often gets overshadowed in the glitz and glamour of the latest technological advancements. From the importance of software updates to the necessity of a robust firewall, we'll shed light on them all. And just like a regular health checkup is vital for us humans, periodic software updates play a critical role in our computer's longevity. You may consider software updates to be an annoying interruption, often disturbing your rhythm of work, but they are much more than a mere inconvenience. Software updates are actually the lifeblood of your PC's health. They are the unsung heroes who work silently in the background, that your computer always delivers its best performance. They are the invisible workers, constantly striving to refine, improve, and protect your system. Many people underestimate this crucial task either due to ignorance or a lack of time. They tend to disregard these updates, considering them insignificant. But let's take a moment to understand why these updates are so important. Software updates are not just about adding new features or enhancements. They do much more than that. Every new update brings with it an array of improvements, aiming to enhance your overall user experience. It could be a sleek new interface, improved functionality, or increased speed. But above all, these updates are essentially designed to patch up any security vulnerabilities. In a world where cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented rate, these security vulnerabilities can prove to be your system's Achilles heel. These vulnerabilities could be exploited by hackers, providing them with a gateway into your system. It is these updates that stand as a sturdy wall, blocking these potential threats. And so, it becomes fundamentally important to regularly check for updates. This seemingly minor task, when performed regularly, can greatly impact your PC's performance. It provides your computer with the necessary ammunition to fight off cyber threats, ensuring that it stays safe and efficient. The digital world is a dynamic landscape that undergoes constant changes. Every second there's a new update, a new threat, or a new innovation. Amidst this continuous flux, the one thing that remains constant is the need for regular software updates. They remain steadfast in their role as the guardians of your PC's health, contributing significantly to its smooth and efficient functioning. So, as we close this detailed exploration into the world of PC health, we hope to have shed some light on the importance of regular software updates and their impact on your computer's performance. It's not just about having the latest features or the most advanced technology. It's about ensuring that your PC continues to function efficiently, withstanding the test of time and technological advancements. So always remember to check for updates regularly and install them to keep your PC safe and efficient. Next, let's consider the physical health of your PC. Maintaining your computer's physical condition is akin to looking after your own physical health. The accumulation of dust and debris is a natural result of the passage of time, similar to how our bodies experience the buildup of toxins. This buildup, though seemingly invisible and harmless, can affect your computer's functions in a similar way that toxins affect our body. In the case of your PC, one of the primary effects of dust and debris is the overheating of its internal systems. When dust accumulates, it can clog up your computer's fans, restricting airflow and causing the internal temperature to rise. This overheating not only poses a potential risk to the hardware components inside, but can also cause your computer to slow down significantly. When your computer overheats, it tends to dedicate more processing power to cooling down, which means fewer resources are available to run your applications smoothly. This can result in frustrating lags and freezes that can interrupt your work or leisure activities. Thus, to prevent such inconveniences and potential damage, it is essential to regularly clean your PC. Begin by dusting off your keyboard, which can be a major dust trap. Next, move on to the internals of your PC. Cleaning the inside of your computer may seem daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But with the right tools, such as compressed air canisters and soft brushes, and a bit of time and patience, you can effectively remove dust and debris from your computer's internals. This might seem like a chore, but it's a small price to pay for a smoother and more responsive computer. Storage is another crucial aspect of PC health. One might not realize, but a cluttered and disorganized hard drive can be detrimental to your PC's performance. Let's delve deeper into this topic. Imagine your hard drive as a physical office space. Each file represents a document that is either stacked neatly in a file cabinet or scattered around the room. The more organized your office is, the faster you can find and retrieve a document when needed. The same principle applies to your hard drive. The easier it is for your PC to locate and access files, the better its performance will be. Now let's look at what happens when your hard drive is cluttered. Each time you install an application, download a file, or create a document, it takes up space on your drive. Over time, these files accumulate and start to fill up your hard drive. The result? Your PC has to work harder and take more time to locate and retrieve files, significantly slowing down its performance. In the worst cases, it can even lead to system crashes. So how can you prevent this from happening? The answer is simple: manage your storage effectively. Start by deleting unnecessary and redundant files. This could be anything from old downloads, temporary internet files. Next, use disk cleanup tools that are available either inbuilt in your PC or as third-party applications. These tools scan your hard drive for unwanted files and remove them. By adopting these practices, you can keep your hard drive clean and well organized. Remember, a neat and tidy hard drive is akin to a well-oiled machine, functioning at its peak. This will not only free up space, but also improve your PC's overall performance. Now, onto the importance of antivirus software. A good antivirus program is your first line of defense against malware and other security threats. They scan your PC for harmful files and programs, block suspicious activities, and even warn you about potentially dangerous websites. So it's a good idea to invest in reliable antivirus software and keep it up to date. Lastly, exercise caution when browsing the internet and downloading software. Not all sites are safe, and some software can harm your PC. Stick to trusted sources and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unfamiliar software. In summary, maintaining your PC's health involves regular software updates, physical cleaning, managing storage, using antivirus software, and safe browsing habits. By following these steps, you can ensure your PC remains efficient, responsive, and safe for years to come. Remember, a healthy PC is a happy PC.